Dear learners, we will cover drugs acting on nervous system, and under this class we will cover Nux vomica crude drug. The objective behind this topic is on completion of this period you would be able to learn about the monograph of CNS drug, that is Nux vomica. Strychnus nux vomica plant is shown here in the picture. Nux vomica belongs to synonym crow figs or mustimanu in Telugu. Biologically, it consists of the dried seeds of Strychnus nux vomica, belongs to family Leguminosae. In history of this Nux vomica, see, in 16th century, the drug was used to kill the animals because of its poisonous nature. Strychnus, that is in Greek, is a poisonous. Nux vomica, nuts with vomiting effects. Strychnine and brucine were some of the first alkaloids that were isolated. Morphologically, seed has the size 10 to 30 mm in diameter and 4 to 6 mm in thick. Shape is small, disc shaped, somewhat flat and irregular. Its color is greenish brown. Odor is odorless and taste is intensely bitter. Nux vomica seed is shown in the picture here. In morphology of seed, the seeds possess an extra feature as the seeds are thickly covered with numerous appressed trichomes radiating towards the periphery from the center. The seeds are very hard to break or cut. The boiled seeds can be cut transversely into two halves. The embryo with two small leaves like cotyledons and a small cylindrical radicle is found at one side. In its chemical composition, it contains indole types of alkaloid and is about 1 to 1.5%, and main alkaloids are strychnine and brucine. Brucine is chemically dimethoxystrychnine. Other alkaloids in minor quantity are alpha-colubrine, beta-colubrine, physostrychnine, N-oxystrychnine, pseudostrychnine, isostrychnine, strychnine, homocene, novacene, and lacagine. It also contains glycoside, loganine, chlorogenic acid, and about 3% of fixed oils. In its chemical test, the special test is there for strychnine. In this test, we have to take the TS of seed, which is treated with ammonium vanadate and sulfuric acid. The endospermic cell becomes purple. Very second test, that strychnine treated with sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate solution, we will get violet color which turns red and finally yellow. Very next test is for specially for brucine. Under this test we have to take the TS of seed, and this is treated with concentrated nitric acid. The endospermic cell becomes a yellow color. In uses of Nux vomica, it is used as CNS stimulant, mainly as a spinal stimulant drug, also used as aphrodisiac, used as bitter stomachic and tonic. It is a respiratory stimulant in cases of poisoning. It stimulates the cardiovascular system and increases the BP. Its allied drugs are strychnus wallichina, having comparable alkaloidal content, and strychnus igniti, which contains 3% of alkaloids, of which 60% is strychnine. Adulterants are Strychnus potatorum and Strychnus nux blenda. In summary of this class, what we have learned? We have learned about CNS plant drug Nux vomica, contains indole alkaloid strychnine and brucine, used as a respiratory and cardiovascular stimulant. In quiz question, the plant part that is useful in Nux vomica is leaves, flowers, roots, seeds, and your correct answer is seeds. Very second quiz, Nux vomica alkaloids are spinal stimulants, cardiovascular stimulants, both, and none of the above. And our correct answer is both. The frequently asked question on this topic is, write the chemical constituents and uses of Nux vomica. Write the botanical source and macroscopy of Nux vomica. Very next, mention the source and uses of Nux vomica.